Alright guys, it is Monday night and I got a few things to ship here for Etsy sales. One is this special, I would call it a vice grip for lack of a better term. Anyway, it's by BMC Manufacturing Corporation. It sold that for $14.99 in free shipping. On the toy store we sold some Lego minifigures. And we sold those for $39 in free shipping. If you remember the antique dumpster dive, we picked up the Perez Brothers Smiling Tom tomatoes. That sold for $29 plus $10 shipping. And then I've got this item right here that I've had for a little while. Had this for a little while. I picked this up at the auction probably 6 to 8 months ago. It's a footstool. Got kind of an antique brass bottom, fake leather top, and it's adjustable, so you kind of, put it where you want it, and it makes it adjustable. Still has the original manufacturer's tag on the bottom. Anyway, I had that on there for 50 bucks plus shipping. Somebody offered me 50 bucks free shipping. It's very light, so I think it maybe would cost 10, 15 bucks to ship it. Plus I found out that I asked them first where they were at. They're just a few states below me. So not a big deal there. Happy to see it go. I only paid, I think it was probably part of a group a lot, or I cleared off the whole row. So, I mean, I might have $1 invested in it. Not much at all. And then, if you remember the vacuum cleaner that I picked up last week was a Dyson. I tore that apart. Basically all the pieces that came off that vacuum will equal about $100 in parts, and I've already sold 2 parts off of that. So I sold one for $6 plus shipping and another one for $7 plus shipping, so 13 bucks. But I got the cord, I got 2 electric motors off of it, so pretty good day overall for finding that vacuum cleaner. I did pick up a second one today just by chance out of another dumpster. I didn't film it though because I was kind of a fluke. Anyway, so that's the stuff that's shipping out tonight, and got a lot of good things going on. I got the Star Trek shelf listed today for 120, I think it was, plus shipping, 125. Willing to take a best offer on it, so I'm very happy with that. So a lot of stuff going on right now. So that's it for tonight. I got to get this stuff shipped, and we will catch you soon. All right, guys and gals, it is Tuesday afternoon, and yeah, we are going to do a little dumpster diving today. So keep your fingers crossed, and we're going to start back here with our favorite old dumpster, even though we were just here yesterday checking it out. So we're going to see if the old Bed Bath & Beyond is going to give up anything today. So let's go take a look-see. Keep our fingers crossed. Ooh, she looks empty today. But that can be deceiving from this angle. So let's go look. It's like a crock pot. Something there. Something there. Looks like a busted up Keurig over there. So everything looks pretty busted up, but let me introduce you to somebody. This is Pokey. Pokey the Picking Stick 2.0. Isn't she a beauty? And she's got strong teeth. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? At the same time. So, I'm not sure what that was. Looks like there's a second one right there. So, anyway. Well, nothing good today. On to the next one. Nope. yeah, that is Pokey the Picking Stick 2.0. Picked Pokey up for $2 at the auction last Saturday where I got all the other stuff. I was pretty happy with that purchase. From my early test with Pokey, it has pretty good grip. Got pretty good teeth on it. Pretty happy with it. I also have a secondary pole with me for longer, deeper, farther away stuff. So together I think that will work for me for quite a while. So let's keep on hunting. This is like the shittiest dumpster I've ever seen. Do I stop at the Staples dumpster? Oh, it's actually open. We've never gotten anything out of this dumpster. Perhaps today's the day. Nice shipping tubes. Oh, look at there. Bubble wrap. Nice score. Thank you, Staples, for finally giving me something. You know, ever since I've been dumpster diving on this channel, been having pretty good luck hitting bubble wrap. And for the amount of stuff I ship out, which isn't a ton of course, but I tell you what, I use bubble wrap like a crazy man now because it doesn't cost me anything. And I've gotten some really good feedback from people just going, wow, great packaging, you know. Nothing today. So nothing today from Best Buy, but one of my previous viewers had said that one of my viewers had said that in his location, Best Buy dumpsters are sealed. They have those compactors that are only accessible from the inside. And he also said in that same comment that I should check out Michael's. And I said, that's funny because Michael's, where we are, has the compactor on the outside of its building. So it's kind of funny that way that, you know, we both have the reverse situations, just, you know, depending on where you live. I guess you never know. Oh, look at all that metal. Shit. Wow. Holy cow, I don't know how I'd even get to it all. It looks like it would open right up. Huh. I don't know. You know, do you come back? That's a lot of metal in there. Do you come back, open it up tonight after 5 when everybody's gone home? I don't know, folks. What do you do? What would Scrapping Vulture do? What would Taco Stacks do? What would Pallet Man do? Yeah. I think we're gonna have to come back after dark. Nike Shoe Dazzle. Lucky Brand Blue Jeans America. Anybody need a shoebox? Their class project. Seems like they're always needing shoeboxes growing up. More boxes. Little shipping boxes though. I still want to mess with that shipping boxes today. I would mess with some more bubble wrap. So yeah, I couldn't let this go. I thought I'd come back here and see if I couldn't find somebody working and just see if they were okay with me pulling some metal out of the dumpster. If they tell me no, they tell me no, and I can move on with my day. Won't have to think about it anymore. So let's see what they say here. I think this door might be open. Hi there. I got the back door open. Check it out. Guy was so cool about it too. Let's go scrapping. Look at that. That's not a bad day at all. Whew. Well, it's just a little bit cramped in here. So, it's easy to say that this is the end of today's dumpster diving adventure. Now we shift into scrap life adventure. So we're gonna head home. I got a bunch of copper wire from a previous haul at home and some miscellaneous skibble scabble. I'm gonna grab that and try and make it down to the junkyard by 5. If we can do it. I'd love to get this thing empty today. So tonight I'm just gonna go straight onto the backyard here and get rid of all this stuff, and then I'll come back around and do the copper in a little bit. What do we weigh today? Let's go zoom in here. 5240. Well, that was a first for me where they unloaded for me. That's never happened before. So let's see how much weight we lost. So what's that, 300 pounds or so? Okay guys, so here it is. Sheet iron, $16, 320 pounds. So yeah, we said 300, that's good. 39 pounds of copper, $15.60 for a total of $31.60. Not bad. Not bad, since most of that $16 came out of that one dumpster. So I'm pretty happy with that. So something else interesting happened while I was there. A young man, a real nice young man, whoops, came up to me after I'd cashed out, and he said, why are you videotaping? And I was like, oh, well, I said, I make YouTube videos about scrapping, dumpster diving, you know what I make videos about. And anyway, so I told him, I said, go to ShaneManTV.com, and it'll take you right to the thing. And I said, why is it a problem? Should I not be videotaping? And he says, no, it's just people use their cameras, their phones to videotape, to like look for ways to get in and steal from the junkyard, from the scrapyard. And I'm like, really? It's too bad people have to resort to that. I mean, today you saw that dumpster was full of metal. I didn't have to steal it. I just went in and asked for permission, and got 16 bucks out of it. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna retire on that 16 bucks, but still, right? I mean, why would you want to steal from a scrapyard? Life's too short, man. I mean, actually, Scrap Vulture, check him out if you don't know who he is. He was talking about that just the other night there, that somebody was trying to steal his quilt out of his laundry at the laundromat, and he's like, you go a block away, look in the first dumpster, and there's clothes. If you need clothes, if you need blankets, anything you need's in the dumpster, according to Scrap Vulture, and it really is. So anyway, that being said, good haul. Hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Hopefully that young man at the scrapyard will be joining us, and give me a shout out if you do. But again, very nice young man, very nice scrapyard all over. But I did have one tragedy. Oh, that dumpster, that tote. I told you I got that tote with all the Star Trek little glass things in them. It fell out as I was pulling out the wire and crashed to the ground and busted a bunch of stuff in there. Anyway, again, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate each and every one of you for taking part in this. I know I need to shave, I'm pretty rough, but I'm afraid you're gonna have to deal with it. Peace out, everybody. We'll see you at the next dumpster.